Ooh, what's going on? Jamie and I and Katie are in Mendocino for the weekend. You guys, thank you very much for watching. Morning. It may not be morning where you're at, but it's morning where I am. And I'm looking over the ocean drinking some coffee. Not complaining, very lucky. So this weekend we got away from the campfire up in Northern California. Can't believe that all took place. It's pretty crazy that that's happening in my hometown of Chico / Paradise, and it's definitely surreal to see that kind of stuff taking place so close to home. We're going to try to give as much and help as much as we can this next week and just try to put our best foot forward in fixing the situation. I mean, I'm not going to fix it. It's going to take a lot of time for everyone to help, and you're more than welcome to support if you're watching this and you want to. I'll put a link down below where you can donate. Might feel good to do something like that, so I'll definitely leave those links down below. Feel free, no pressure, obviously. I don't subscribe to that, but thank you guys for watching and coming along on this trip. But here's to coffee in Mendocino, and here's a little more morning B-roll, and then we'll get on the road. So we'll talk to you guys a little later.